Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will not study but we will take a ride of balloon car and rocket. So just stay with me at the end of this video how to make a balloon car, and I will show you the balloon rocket also. It's very interesting, and always remember one thing dear students, all the inventions first takes place at a lower level. डायरेक्टली वो लोग एक बड़ा इन्वेंशन करके बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट बनाकर उसे लॉन्च नहीं कर देते हैं. फर्स्ट वो स्मॉलर प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं, उस पर देखते हैं कि वो सक्सेसफुल है या नहीं, देन आफ्टर दे आर लॉन्चिंग इट, okay, or they are making it at a higher level. So likewise you can also try to create something new, something innovative at your home. Right now you have enough time to do that, so don't waste your time and try to create something new, try to learn something new. Today we will do that. So to understand that, first we will move with the Newton's second law of motion. So what it states? It states that force is equal to mass into acceleration. To understand this, let's take one example. If I will ask you to move a chair, then by a little force also, by less force also, you can move a chair because chair is having less mass, okay. But if I will ask you to move a car, then two persons will be required to move a car, and it will require more amount of force compared to the chair because car is having more mass, higher mass, and if the mass is higher, then the inertia will also be higher. To understand inertia, you can go with the first video, okay. So to understand this, let's take one more activity. You can go with this activity or with the another activity also, which I will tell you. So another activity is you can take a glass and take a ball. Just put a glass and try to hit the glass with the ball. पहले एकदम स्लोली बॉल से हिट करना, तो क्या होगा, ग्लास थोड़ा ही मूव होगा और फिर स्टॉप हो जाएगा. यानी जितना फोर्स ग्लास पर रहेगा जितने टाइम के लिए उतना वो मूव होगा, देन आफ्टर इट विल स्टॉप, राइट. बट अगर आप उसे बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़ोर से, बहुत ही ज़्यादा फोर्स से हिट करोगे तो ग्लास जो है वो कहीं दूर जाकर गिरेगा, यानी वो ज़्यादा टाइम तक मूव होगा और ज़्यादा डिस्प्लेसमेंट भी होगा. सो दैट इज़ द सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन, दैट इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द मास, यानी जितना ज़्यादा मास उतना ज़्यादा फोर्स, जितना ज़्यादा फोर्स अप्लाई करोगे उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो एक्सेलरेट होगा और उतने टाइम तक वो एक्सेलरेट होगा, ओके. सो दिस इज़ द सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन. Now let's move with the third law of motion, and then after we will see activity based on the third law. So what is the third law of motion? It states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. For this, just see this activity and try to observe. To play this activity, you will need one balloon, one string, and one straw. If you don't have straw, then you can make it with the help of paper also. So blow the air inside the balloon and stick it with the straw and put that straw in the string and then see what happens. Now let's see what funda acts behind this. See, if we will blow the air in the balloon, if we'll tie it, then the pressure inside it will be at equilibrium state, right? But as you will open the nozzle of the balloon, what will happen? अंदर जो एयर थी वो एयर बाहर निकल, पहले वो बाहर निकलने की ट्राई कर रही थी, अब वो बाहर निकलेगी, तो क्या होगा? बलून जो है वो अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में मूव होगा, एयर जो है वो उसे अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में मूव करेगी. सी, जस्ट टेक अ लुक अगेन एंड अंडरस्टैंड इट. यहाँ नोजल जो है वो लेफ्ट साइड में है, तो बलून हमारा राइट साइड में जो है वो मूव कर रहा है. ओके, सो ऑन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट ओनली द रॉकेट इज लॉन्चिंग फ्रॉम इट्स लॉन्च पैड. Let's see how the rocket is launches from the launch pad. Here is one example for you. Now here in this, if you will observe, then the rocket will not launch unless and until it will not expel the gas outward. यानी जब तक गैस बाहर नहीं निकलेगा तब तक वो ऊपर लॉन्च नहीं होगा. ओके, सो द रॉकेट pushes on the gas and the gas turn pushes on the rocket. So in this way action and reaction will takes place. And to take place this action and reaction, ये जो मास है वो कम होना चाहिए कंपेयर टू फोर्स, यानी फोर्स जो है, एक्शन जो है वो ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, तभी वो अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में मूव करेगा. Understood? Now likewise you can make your own balloon car. For this you can take a balloon, you can take any water bottle or cap of water bottle also, or you can go with cardboard also. Then after, take a straw and put it here. With the help of air present inside the balloon, your car will move. You can put air, you can blow air from this nozzle also. Understood? Try to make it at your home and enjoy it. In next video will come with the another activity. Till then, good day and thank you.